So it's official, the next MACH show will now take place in 2022. MACH 2020 was rescheduled for January next year, but as we all know, the likelihood of this show being a success has become increasingly unlikely with the continued uncertainty around COVID-19. But all is not lost. In fact, this is an opportunity and I've got something rather exciting to tell you. MTD will be hosting a feast of live events throughout the month of February for companies that were looking to MACH as their opportunity to showcase new technologies. So we'll be travelling with our team of industry experts to showrooms up and down the country, streaming live broadcasts focusing on all of those new technologies. This is the new modern way, I guess, of taking your technology to engineers. With a guaranteed audience of thousands, there's no better way to show off your products. This is a win-win for all involved. For you, there's no shipping of machines up and down the country. There's no concerns over making sure visitors are safe and practicing social distancing. And most importantly, there's no limit to the numbers that you're aiming your message at. We've hosted several shows this year already, but now, as you would expect, these are coming in thick and fast because they work. February is your time to book a day with MTD and we will deliver your message clearly and precisely with impact. We have 10 days planned, 10 locations, and over half of them have already been snapped up. So contact us if you want to market with maximum impact.